Researchers have struggled to find the exact cause and function of hiccups, but many theories have been suggested, many of which start before birth. For example, some have suggested that hiccups prevent a fetus from swallowing amniotic fluid in utero, or that hiccuping helps a fetus prepare to breathe on its own after birth. Ali Seifi, MD, an author of the study and an associate professor of neurosurgery in UT Health San Antonio's Joe R. and Teresa Lozano Long School of Medicine, tells Verywell that hiccup research has been limited and inconclusive. Most of the research, on hiccups, had difficulty finding the exact cause of hiccups, and even until now, the exact pathophysiology and mechanism of hiccups is mostly a theory and not very clear, says Seifi. There have been other tries in the past with not much success, and it seems that this, FISST research, is most likely one of the first positive studies.